So now we're going to put in the LED separators and indicators of the DA-2000 clock. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the 6 4K7 resistors. So 4K7 colour code is, let's have a look, yellow, violet, red, gold. And we're going to put in the 2 red LEDs in positions D1 and D6, and the orange LEDs we're going to put up in the D2, D3, D4, D5 positions. The resistors go on the bottom side of the board and the LEDs go on the top side of the board. So let's get into it. So first of all, the resistors go down between the chips here, R10, R12, R14, R11, R13, R15. Those are the positions we want to fill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the resistors in first of all, and then we will solder them up all in one go. And then we'll get onto the LEDs, which is a bit more interesting. Just tape those guys into place while we're soldering them. Doing the usual thing of just soldering one lead at the moment, then if it turns out that they're not sitting down the way I expect them to, I can adjust them. So for example, that one there is sitting a bit high. It's fine, but yeah, we'll put it in a little bit more. Okay. Now we can do the other sides. Trim the leads up. Okay, so we will put in the 2 red LEDs first of all, and if you notice, there's a long lead and a short lead. And the short lead is the side with the little notch on it. So, and if we look on the board, there's a small picture on there which says the notch goes to the inside. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend the leads down and pop the LED in there. And the same thing this side, short lead with a notch goes to the inside. The same thing. So these indicators are status indicators, so they can tell you that the clock is connected and so forth. So they're not fantastically important to the working of the clock, but they're a nice little extra. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, now for the final LEDs, and the same thing here. There's a short lead and a long lead, and the short lead is the side with a notch on them. Now these LEDs don't really have a flange on them, so you have to just rely on the length of the lead. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to bend the top over and put the short lead in the hole. Again, short lead, bend the top over and in the hole. And we want these to stand one on top of the other, so about 1 centimetre apart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder the longest LED's shortest lead. And I'm going to solder it so that it's flush on the board. You see? And then spin it back. Now the second one I want to be about 1 centimetre apart. So I'm going to solder this one, and don't worry about the orientation too much at the moment, we'll figure that out in a second. Okay, now before I do anything else, we'll do the second ones as well, and then we'll check them that they all are in the right way. So, short lead goes to the side with the notch. And again, the longest one at the back. Short lead is the notch. So same drill here. So I've soldered that guy in so he's flush. Now I can rotate him and we'll solder the bottom LED in so that it's about the same distance. Okay, and we'll rotate him as well. They look pretty good to me. Maybe this one's a little touch higher than this one, so. And this one also needs to come up a bit. Look about right. Okay, let's solder the other leads. Okay. Let's see if that works. We'll pop in the controller for a second. And power on. Okay, they look good. All right, that's this stage once we've trimmed up. So, that's this step done.